So kaleidoscopes have come a long way since I was a kid. Now, I've always loved them. You know, when I was a child, I loved them. I thought they were really cool. But, you know, oh my gosh, wait until you see these. This one has a beautiful map on the outside. This one has beautiful butterflies on the outside. And when you look, you're going to be looking through kind of a marquee-shaped opening. And what you're seeing is that you don't have to, you just roll the end. And it makes these millions of beautiful colors like fireworks when you roll the end. Isn't that, I know I'm asking you if it's gorgeous, you can't see in it, but literally, wait. Oh my gosh, wait, one with each eye. Really the coolest thing ever. So I think these are the most beautiful gift ideas. I think they're beautiful because number one, they're just works of art, but number two, they remind you of what it was to have a sense of wonder when you were a child. And they let your mind focus on something besides the craziness of the everyday. And you're just look through that little hole and all of a sudden you're in that world where everything is beautiful and moving and colors and patterns. I have to say, this is the most Zen thing I've ever seen, and I cannot wait for you to see how beautiful they are.